Hi and welcome back. What we've got today is interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Are you ready? Let's get started. So we say that the interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They are who, whom, whose, what, and which. For example, who are you? You see, this is a question. The interrogative pronoun there is who. What is this? The interrogative pronoun here is what. Whom did you ask? The interrogative pronoun here is whom. Which do you prefer? The interrogative pronoun here is which. It is not difficult, right? Whose is this? The interrogative pronoun here is whose. So if you would like to memorize the words, you can read them like this: who, whom, whose, what and which. 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 Good, let's move on. So here we are going to see the difference between an interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. So for example, whose is this? An example that is like this: you say that whose is an interrogative pronoun. But here, whose biro is this? You see that after whose we've got biro. I remember what an adjective does. It tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. So whose is this? Interrogative pronoun. Whose biro is this? Interrogative adjective. It is not difficult, right? Which do you prefer? We say that this is an interrogative pronoun. But you see here, which shirt should I take? You see, after which we've got shirt, and shirt is a noun. You remember what an adjective does. You remember that it tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. So you say that which here is an interrogative adjective. What do you want? Interrogative pronoun. What book are you reading? Interrogative adjective. It is not difficult. What you should remember is biro, shirt, book are nouns. They are nouns. I remember what an adjective does, telling you more about a noun or a pronoun. So whose is this? Pronoun. Whose biro is this? Adjective. Which do you prefer? Pronoun. Which shirt should I take? Adjective. What do you want? Pronoun. What book are you reading? Adjective. Not difficult, right? Let's move on. And here we've got how did you do this? This is a question, isn't it? Good. When are you going home? Is a question. Why are you laughing? This too is a question. Where are you going? This too is a question. You see here how, when, why, and where that we've got. We say that they are adverbs, so do not get confused. How did you do this? How? You say it is an adverb. When are we going home? When are we resting? When are we doing our work? You say that when is an adverb. Why is this thing happening? Why are you doing this? Why are you laughing? You say that why is an adverb. Where are you? Where are you going? You say that where is an adverb. So do not get confused. Good. Let's move on. Here we'll talk about who and whom. If you check Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, there's explanation about them. Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary too, you see explanation about them. Not just those two dictionaries, but I'm using the Britannica Dictionary, and this is what it says. Whom is more formal word than who, and is not commonly used in ordinary speech and writing. It is not commonly used in ordinary speech and writing where it can seem awkward and unnatural. So you should be able to know this. You should be able to remember this. So let's have examples. Who did you give the phone to? More common. Whom did you give the phone to? Formal. Who are you looking for? More common. Whom are you looking for? Formal. Who am I speaking with? More common. Whom am I speaking with? Formal. To whom am I speaking? Formal. I hope you are not confused. Who did she send the letter to? More common. Whom did she send the letter to? Formal. To whom did she send the letter? Formal. So you see, I've used the explanation given by the Britannica Dictionary. So I hope that was understood. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was great. And I say, until next time.